I call upon the Lord, who is worthy to be praised, and I am saved from my enemies. The Lord is my rock and my fortress, and my deliverer, my God. My rock in whom I take refuge. I love you, O Lord, my strength. Jesus, you are the light of the world. You are the Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end, the first and the last. Jesus Christ, the Son of the living God. My God lightens my darkness. This God, His way is perfect. He made my feet like the feet of a deer and set me secure on the heights. The God who equipped the beginning and the end, the first and the last. Jesus Christ, the Son